Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Monday, August 26th, and I have a ton of stuff to share with you. First up, this is the very last weekend of the row by row experience. And this is our row. It's called the Year of the Fox. This is the last week that you can receive a free pattern if you come in the shop. And our kits are getting low and we probably will not make more. So if you'd like a kit of this row, this is the last week to get that as well. At the end of this week on Sunday, the All Carolina Shop Hop begins, and that will be going for 2 full months. So we're really excited about that as well, and I'll tell you more about that in the week to come. Today we have tons and tons of new patterns. We have new earrings, we have new fabric. So it's kind of a hodgepodge to share with you today. This is Hyde Park. I think that would be a great gender neutral quilt and really nice in Tim Holtz fabrics. Then we have Twist and Twist, double twist. That would be a great baby quilt. I wonder if it comes in different sizes. It doesn't, but you could definitely just make it smaller. You could make less. Then over here we have Windmill, which is a great way to showcase a panel. That one's Sue Zipkin in the middle there. I think we've had that panel before, actually. This is Lullaby. That's a really great simple quilt that finishes at, let's see, what's the finish size on that? Oh, come on, you should tell us. 44 by 44. And then we have Surf Wave. That's really fun. That would be fun in some neat novelty fabrics that are kind of beach themed. Then we have Nordic Nights. I love those curves. Fat quarter friendly in 5 sizes. That's nice. And then we have a little one called Hullabaloo. I wonder if they show you. There's the whole thing on the back there. Pretty simple pattern. That'd be great for large prints. So that's what's new in patterns, and I'll be sure to link to the patterns on our website. Next, we've got these great little leather earrings from Riley Blake Designs, and they come in tons of different patterns. The thing I love about them is they're really, really light, so it doesn't feel like you're wearing anything, and they are just fun. So I'm actually wearing my pair today, and there are a lot of different colors and styles. I like wearing things like this out in public, so when you find another quilter, you know it without having to say anything. This is the pair I'm wearing today. And there they are. Next we have fabric. We've got Stenographer's Notebook by Marsha Dersy. Look at those delicious colors. Marsha Dersy is always on the hunt for paper, especially old paper with handwriting. She created a notebook of paintings and sketches overlaid on found paper. For this collection, she revisited the notebook, pulling inspiration from the pages. This bundle includes 33 batik fat quarters and a 24-inch printed panel of a paper collage inspired by the batik designs. So that's the printed panel that goes along with all of the batiks in this group. So really pretty. What a great jumping off point for any nice colorful quilt. So that's what we have for you today. New in patterns, jewelry, fabric, and our row by row experience row. I hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.